Hi, to customize lock screen on your Redmi Note 14 5G, as a first step, find and open your settings. And from here, just scroll down and choose Desktop Wallpaper and Personalization. Now we can choose lock style on the top by tapping it. And after that, you'll be able not only customize your lock screen, but also change wallpaper. So as you can see, there are many options for the wallpaper, for example, classic one, or this cute flower, I don't know. And when you picked something, for example, classic version, you can hit that button customize, and you can also tap on time, and here you can switch to different time format. Also, you can tap on font and change it as well. And of course, you can change color. So as you can see, there are many options. You can also tap this rainbow palette and manually edit color like that. And after that, you can save changes by tapping down button and apply them to your lock screen. Just by tapping this button, apply. And also you can add some filters and change wallpaper. So let's choose different type of wallpaper, for example this one, and also tap customize. Now we can also change clock style like that. We can tap here, and from date we can switch to weather. For example, we can set air quality or temperature, just something you'd like to see on your lock screen. And you can tap here and add even one more widget, for example, pressure. And here you can tap to enter signature. So you can just write down something here. Also, you can change font, as we discussed before, and color. And on the top, you can switch from your carrier to, for example, date. And now just tap down. Also, you can add filters. You can pinch to crop like that. You can tap wallpaper and choose something from that options as well. And of course, you can set your own photo by going in local photos. As a first step, allow access. Here choose photo and then tap apply. And now let's take a look at, for example, this one. Let's tap customize. Here we can just change clock style and font as well as color and add some filters. Let's apply this one as my lock screen. For that I'm gonna tap apply, and now let's check it. Here it is, and that is how you can customize your lock screen on the Redmi Note 14. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.